Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Kiara Advani inspired makeup look. This is a look from SHERSHAAH and a lot of you guys wanted me to recreate this look. I personally love these kinds of looks which are very wearable. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe to my channel and also comment down below which celebrity inspired makeup look you want me to do next. Before we move on with the makeup, here's a little bit of skincare for you guys. So recently I've been trying out a lot of products for getting my natural glow and anything which repairs pigmentation. I have been going through a lot of work stress recently, and because of that my skin has become dull. So I was in search of something which will bring back the glow and brighten my skin. So I have been trying out the Ayurveda Suvarna Haldi Chandan face pack. It is natural, it's vegan, it's PETA certified, and it's cruelty free. Now ideally you should apply twice a week, but honestly speaking, I don't get so much time. So I apply it only once a week. It's a face pack which gives instant brightening. It's got very authentic ingredients which are very effective. We all know that Haldi is antibacterial and Chandan is very soothing and it's anti-aging. It helped smoothen my skin texture. Rose has got natural astringent qualities which tighten and tones the open pores. It also has extracts of orange peel which gives antioxidant protection against premature skin aging, and it helps maintain a supple, toned, younger looking skin. Because the ingredients are so natural, it's awesome for sensitive skin too. With regular use, I can feel that my skin has become softer, it's become younger looking, it's got back the glow. Now the packaging is really pretty. It smells so authentic and natural. It's got a soft powdered pack, and I take 2 to 3 spoons of it and I mix it with rose water because that suits my skin the most. You can use yogurt, you can use milk, honey, you can use aloe vera, whichever works best for you. I first spray 2 to 3 sprays of rose water on my face. Then I apply it to my face and I leave it till it dries completely, and once dry, I rinse it off. It gives instant glow to your face, so I use it before I shoot a video or if I have to go somewhere special. It brightens the skin instantly. Now we often think that brightness is fairness, but it's actually not. Brightening means bringing the natural glow back. Sometimes the skin becomes dull and loses its natural glow, and this will help you bring back the glow instantly. Now we're all done with the skin prep. Let's start with the makeup. I've already applied the face pack and washed my face. Now I'm going to apply a moisturizer. This is from Nykaa. This is their Fadeout serum. I have been using this serum since a long time and I absolutely love it. I'm just going to dab it all over my face. It's very important to calm down and relax before applying makeup. This is my time and I need to relax before I start doing my makeup. So I just give little massages. It feels so good. I'm not going to use any foundation for this look because this look is very fresh and it's very pretty. So I'm going to use the Requil Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. Because I just applied a serum, I need to apply sunscreen. This is a tinted sunscreen and I don't need any brush to apply it. I'm just going to apply it with my hands. This is a very regular look, so you don't need to be too fancy with this look. Just use regular products. Since I have dark circles, I'm going to use a color corrector. This is from Sugar. It's their Face Forward Corrector Stick in the shade Onward Orange. And I'm going to link all the products in the description box. And I'm just going to lightly apply it under my eyes. Now I'm going to apply the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. And I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, then blend it with my fingers. Okay, so the concealer is on and it looks good. Now I'm going to apply Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Just going to dust it lightly under my eyes, just to set my under eye area. And I'm just going to lightly dab it all over my face. I'm going to do my eyebrows next, and I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. And I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows, not changing the shape or anything. Moving on to the eyes, she's got a dark brown eyeshadow or dark brown tint on top of her eyelids. I'm going to use the K-Beauty. This is their matte eyeshadow pencil. It is in the shade Splendid, and I'm going to use it on top of my eyelids just for that brown base. I'm going to smudge it with my fingers very, very lightly. I'm going to use the Smashbox Cover Shot Ablaze eye palette, and I'm going to use this dark brown shade. You can use whatever dark brown shade you have, any palette that you have, but the dark brown needs to be similar to what I'm using. Taking a brush and no product, just gonna smudge it. Now I'm going to take a Kajal and take whichever Kajal works for you. I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line. Now we're gonna smudge it with a pencil brush. I'm using the Nykaa E008 brush. You can use any pencil brush that you have. Now we're going to curl the lashes and apply mascara. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. You don't need any false lashes for this look. And I'm going to apply a second coat since I'm not going to be using any fake lashes. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm not going to contour. I'm going to apply a lipstick as my blush and use the same lipstick on my lips. And I'm going to apply some more. Oh my god. Bad decision. For my blush, I'm going to apply the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. This is in the shade Malibu Barbie. She's got real pink cheeks, so I'm going to take this shade and apply it. I'm going to apply the Sugar Smudge May Not liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Tan Fan. I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. Just take a little bit and then smudge it with my fingers. Adding the earrings. So just taking a rubber band, I'm just going to grab my hair and tie it up. I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting powder. This is in the shade number 4 Radiant. I'm just going to apply it all over my cheeks. This will give a very natural, healthy glow on my nose and chin. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also comment down below which celebrity inspired makeup look you want me to do next. Alright, then I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.